thing there now.
Yes, sir.
Go and do it, you know, brother.
Right.
We not stop doing it.
Yeah, stop.
Nah, give up no time. Go and walk out with some rapper, dog. One stop. Don't pass and stop, you know. Everything for the pot. Remember that. Not tell them. Go on up the road, one stop, man. Big up yourself, yeah?
So see there, so one say white and one say yellow with the red, with the gold, with the green. You know from you say white, you know go with it. I will not.
Oliver.
You call it Oliver again?
Special meal at an Oliver. Yeah man, you know.
You call it Oliver again. The last time you did Oliver come give you the black beans, you know.
Yeah man, you did.
So next time no, we must come give you no like you call
Oliver. Alright, so like we give you the black bean one day. They come back. Different menu.
Yeah.
We'll give you the white bean this time. Yeah man, isn't that?
This room here now. So the next room here. See how it was before. So all the rough patches, all the holes and everything. You know, look at this. Yeah. So much better.
Yes, they can use the red bean, black, the white. Yeah man, I get the items through the upper running.
And the baked bean.
And the baked bean in it. So we have 4 different bean mixed with pumpkin, Irish. All the look thing go around and you know? See rice then now sit there?
Yeah, white.
White, you know the butter in it man. Look at yellow looking at the butter, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Yeah, one thing doing a show code make it look complete, you know.
Yeah man, and then the white and the gun
and the white and the Ghana and
white one give the finishing look, you know. These are the ones that take off the rough look.
Yeah.
Yeah, it match back with up the wall, dressing like the wall, yeah. And they put the white one now.
Yeah, that finishing look there.
And the sun is just smooth, ready for paint.
Ready for paint. And that's where we at right now, you know. So the next room, you know. So the next room, yeah. So how it was before. So all the rough patches, all the holes and everything. You know, look at this. Yeah. So much better. So all the thing now left now that the door jam I go dress, you know, right there and right there is gonna be dressed and everything. And I'm gonna say, trying to get some support for the red work, you know, smooth out in here. So the next step is the tiling, you know, where we're gonna tile the entrance, you know, and the bathroom fittings. We already have the shower head in the bathroom and everything. So you know, we're gonna need to tile it, you know, and some tile on the wall there, and the paint to paint the place. And that's us, well complete. You know, so we're not far out here. We're literally right there, you know, as you can see. We're right there, viewers. We're right there. We're right there. Place look good. Place look good, me not lie. Place look good. Place look good, me not lie. Light all pay. Place look good, man. Ready now. Yeah, once the place clean up, me want sweep up and everything. Then I can see everything. Yeah, light and all. Yeah, man, a beautiful house this man she get, man.
People are glad for this, brother.
Yeah, me I tell you, man. You know, as I say, you know, the hill is very steep. Our dream team is climbing it. We cannot complain.
No.
And we cannot question the time. You see me, we have to just work with the process. Yeah, because everything happens for a reason, you know. You know, a leopard never show him true skin color yet till they know what time it is. You know, so everything take time, and sometimes Father God put stoppage and put obstacles in the way. Because literally there's no end, but who can do it. You understand? And we don't stop. Dream team, was it a 1 year thing? First, was it a 6 months thing, or a 1 year thing, or a 2 year thing, or a 3 year thing? Is that thing a continually? You see me? Of course. Yeah, man. Listen, them done so much for me over the years, you know.
And your favorite fans discussing with me, so love you, you know.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to come on a side. They seem to hear about a woman named Rosie.
Yeah.
They know say, me that, yeah, Jenna.
Yeah, oh.
I love for
Yeah. Yeah, man, yo, unconditional love, the people them have for me out there, man, you see me? I truly don't even know and realize the amount of people we inspire from across the world where we don't know, you know? Yeah, man.
We just try to stay together, brother. Nothing come between me, brother. Nobody come between me, brother.
Oh, stop.
I'm going to like say, in our work with the floor. And I follow him.
Of course. It's either you stand, listen, it's one thing I always know in life. It's either you stand for something or you fall for anything. And me as a youth, if I know myself, I stand for righteousness. You see me, I say, no matter how long I know you are a family or a friend, if you know so you, it's the right way, it's righteousness I stand for. The only person who can judge me is the Almighty. If I'm wrong, he will tell me, say, Kino, you're wrong. And I will accept it. You see me? And if anybody tells me, say, Kino, you're wrong, I will accept it. But you have to stand for something or you will fall for anything. Because people can lead astray. You understand? Because you know it's a wrong thing the person will lead you to, where you go follow. You see me? So that means you never stand for the right thing. You understand? So you had to stand for the righteousness. Otherwise you go follow down the waistline. Of course.
You now keep up with the but when I talk to power different from my phone. People guys, they don't know people, enough people.
Yeah.
People are calling, you know.
Yeah.
People decide that people and not hear people talking. Some can't know matter.
Yeah. Of course. Exactly. I know them from nowhere. Righteousness, man, you have to stand for something and not all people. If you don't stand for something, you will fall for anything.
Same thing as yesterday, object girl.
Yeah.
Shoe myself.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Of course. You have to, man.
She sent for things. make sure go on my yard and say, Mommy, don't run here, so I want a plant, I want something. Send comfort, you know.
Of course.
People are giving so
Yeah.
why you give up?
Exactly. Yeah.
And she send come.
Look at that.
Son have it say, she
No.
from here, and them things.
No.
She send come.
She said come. It's simple. Cause you have to give, you know, cause when you put out good, you know.
I look back with her fruit and push it out the window, give her.
Yeah.
I just tell myself, so I just do that for the later woman.
Of course.
People know me and them, I do for me.
Just like, of course.
Yeah, brother.
Because why? You stand for something good.
Yeah, brother.
And doing something good. Cause remember, you know, each and every one over there, so volunteer, you know. You understand? I must know say we can volunteer for the right reason. Yeah, not for the wrong reason. Because people have wrong intentions sometimes, you know. But sometimes it will show. As I'm telling you, say, no matter what, how long it take, you see me, your true colors will always show. Even just like if I'm undercover, I watch you for years. Yeah, you're not gonna know it when I'm ready for bust you and say, yo, you're under arrest. You can't believe you're undercover. You see me, but him show him true colors. Just like you have people who pretend, and when the time come, you show the true colors. No matter how long you feel like, say, people literally be themselves, because showing them true colors is being themselves. You understand? People will pretend for feel like say, yo, them are this, when they realize say, yo, eventually in the long run you're gonna show yourself, brother. You see me answer, because things are gonna step on your toe and them they gonna start screaming out the colours and ball out. You see me, so we know say, okay, all them time you're hiding in your shell. You see me, I say, yeah man, you have to stand for something or you fall for anything, man, and it's righteousness is what I know. Come out and see the donors them send something, you know, extended for me send something, you know. Yeah, you don't know where it come from, you know, where if them have it, you know. They make an effort to send something and don't feel like say anybody where you see I send anything come here. It's not them no millionaire, nobody no rich. Yeah, I mean, just the same position as we. You see me and say, but them can't find enough for them art, because the goodness of them art say, yo, I love for them people they are doing, you know. And that woman that got through a situation is much less than me, you know. And I'm there ball and I complain, no, I'm send something. You see me and say, and realize that them probably send them last, because them know so sometimes when they give to always come back in multiple times, brother. But you have to have the belief in this thing, if it's real, because Almighty is real. So you have to believe in anything there. But you put out, it always will come back. No matter where you feel like it now come back, it might not come back on the same person where you give to, but it'll come back in some way. It might not fall upon you, but it'll fall upon somebody in your family, your kids, them are close to you. You see me, and that is how I know it. You see me, because me could have been like anybody else now. I'm not say I was perfect. You see me, but we learn along the line. You see me, that's why me say, man, I can't talk off experience. We not get up and talk things we don't know. We talk things off our experience. Them call it knowledge. And but sometimes when people hear that, them gonna feel like say you know it all. But no, you see me, say you go through stuff in life, and then other people teach you and prep you with them go through as well too, so they gain more knowledge and wisdom from them. You see me? May I tell you, life you never stop learn. The smallest baby can teach you. If a Bob Marley say it to you as well, say yo, no matter how small the person is, they can learn from them. You see me? I say you speak things that the baby can understand it. You understand? So why we feel like we can't understand certain things, brother? I tell you, man, it's only one way I know it, brother, righteousness. I'm not stop push it out to when Father God say, yo, I hear a time for depart, you know. You see me? You can't stop, brother. There's so much people inspired by the world. A lot of people like to do what we are doing, you know. A lot of people that want to start it and don't know how to start it. But you have the heart to do it. That is it. You have the determination to continue. You see me? You want to know. Because you might see it and feel like say it easy, you know. Hey, listen. There's no end. Listen, charity is in the Bible, you know. Helping each other is in the Bible, you know. It's the way of life, you know. You see me, I say, we cannot make what go on in the world make you feel like say you can't stop what you're doing to helping. No. Beautiful. Mighty Joe. Beautiful. Yeah. Perfect. Moving in.
Yeah.
Moving in.
We are making dry.
Yeah.
Take on the water.
Yeah. So that was dry.
The whole line. one kind.
Yeah.
Not with the white.
Yeah.
You want to start up and then after one box of white, you have to use it to
Yeah. If it dry, and just rub the white over and what, just rub it down.
Yeah.
Smooth.
Alright, they say anytime you go back and you have the ice or the red sand.
Yeah, rub it down. We're going to drop some mask and make sure we have the mask on the beard as well too, you know? Because a pure dust. Yeah man, love how the wall look man, you know, look different already, man, nah, like. You see me? Why look what Dream Team do and the extended family.
They want to try to get some life, make it,
Yeah. This I work, I have light on this thing. I go and work with the light over here, but I work. The light here work, so you see where I go, man. Because you can see the reason why it's darker because it's wet. Yes.
Yes, man.
No man, if we get this in anything we get, we are work with, you know, because we're gonna, as I was asking, because we're gonna need some support on the tiling, you know, and also the painting. So any extended family or anyone out there, you know, want to volunteer and play for them part by who want to support her on the paint or on the tile, because we only have tile here as the entrance, yeah, and the bathroom. That's the two places we have tile. The entrance, yeah, and our natural. We're gonna make them do a measurement, yeah, so we can actually know how much tile we're gonna need or anything, so we can get like an invoice and order and know how much it's gonna cost and everything, and the amount of paint we want, and then we put thing there, you know.
When it's done, they can prime out.
And prime out, yeah.
Sad, because
yeah.
you want to show up with the house now. I know people them dying to see what.
It's when the paint start going, I'm gonna say, man.
No, now wait long for that one, just but
sometimes it's everything for a reason.
It's just like that, you know?
Yeah.
And ups and downs. But we as the student, we utilize our time to do the things and what we can do without the people like them. So once we do that now, we know say that we are getting near.
Yeah.
And it's very soon now.
Yeah man,
Yes,
it's very soon.
Very soon.
It is. Not far away, man.
I see them now. All are getting there.
Yeah,
Like wall is open, but
yeah man, the wall is open, the wall is beautiful.
so like
Pretty.
What happened?
Rope.
One side, you know?
Yeah.
One slide.
Yeah. The road side.
Yeah, man.
And the 14 that?
No, man, the 33 is the
33.
Very large.
next side, man.
Yeah. And the other side, you know, oh chefs, yeah man. Yeah man, it's jelly. Yeah.
You know?
Can finish, we finish the jelly. They want some seasoning.
So, Ines,
Pork. Yeah, we use the red oak. Yeah, same thing. So
come to that every day.
So, probably have a step down as well is, because the red oak now it's like a smooth, it make it look like, because otherwise smooth, like a tile.
So what we can do,
And the same thing,
for the
in a
next
sense.
trip then.
Hello. You see the light? You see the light? You see the light? So we have baby Dream already, now we have baby Team. So we have Dream and we have Team. Hello Team. Team. Hey Esther, we have Dream already in the team. And this is the baby team. So we have Dream and Team. Kid and Princess Team. Yeah. Yeah, that. Yeah, baby Dream already. And now this is baby Team. So you have Dream and Team. Yeah. Full suit. Dream and Team. Team. Shall look again. What go on Team? A Dream there. Hey. Yes, the dream team. Baby dream and baby team. I'll pay. Alright. Everything job.
I don't know what I say no until I dry out.
I got out there. Can't okra then.
No okra. Dry out there today.
Where dry out?
Everything.
One spot.
Yourself, what you think. Don't stop what you think.
But the man said that dry out there today.
Dry out, everything seal out. What you think now?
See everything. Yeah.
Out and about without a doubt. Try out, sell out. I'm going to sell out, you know? Definitely.
All the food sell out.
I'm going food sell out. Food half a sell out.
See that? One spot in the media, you know, that's someone, you know.
Right.
I hate to know. One spot media, I hate to know.
Watch out my badness. That's the thing there now.
That's so.
Go and do it, you know, brother.
Right.
We not stop doing it.
Yeah, stop.
Nah, give up no time. We go and walk and we saw. Rap a dog. One stop. Don't pass and don't stop, you know.
Yeah.
Everything for the pot. Remember that. You're not jealous.
Go on up the road one stop.
Alright then, bless it.
Big up yourself, yeah?
One. Okra morning. These are our okra. Just enough. Okras. The kid okra them. So this is the life already on the farm. As you can see, we got life on the farm. The okras. See the okras then. Okras. Okras all about. See the okra them and pop up boom. Life start already messy, as you can see. Yeah, fix up around it.
I need to pack a bed there.
I think if you need up, but you need up this. I go plant some more. I got place, you know. Start putting some more like how them are bust up already. What go on? See man guys, go crop and running. See them? Eh? No, get at the wild bush then. Yes, I want to forget them alive. I'll plow them out, man. Alright then. Yes, dream team and team. The thing go. So everywhere where you see stones is nothing but pure okra. Pure okra. So yeah, we get some more ants powder. Run out of ants powder. Rasta Messi. Bring the okra from there. And the glass of the thing. So down here, so now we have some. Watch that era. So down here we have some plant and sucker. You plant and sucker you. And these plant and sucker come from Trenchtown. You know, from natural himself. Sit down with some plant and sucker. And see if I will make them work. So welcome. What them say, Margaman, where that's a welcome to all Harbour. Yeah man. Yeah, so plant and sucker, welcome to Old Harbour. So you're from the concrete jungle. And now you're in the Old Harbour, the style of the, yeah, so welcome to Old Harbour. Only about trade, I think I try to try to get them from. I don't have stats.
Yeah, don't have stats.
I can get them from somewhere, but them come from the concrete, you know. So these are some plant and sucker down here, so. All for planting and the pumpkin them over there, so bust up already. You know, we have some pumpkin, the pumpkin them shoot up already. Planting them here, pure planting right now. Round and round and round. As you can see, plantings and plantings. Yeah, went to get some sun. So over the pumpkin field now. So we're over the pumpkin field where you see the stones and you know where the pumpkin at. You know. See the pumpkin then they push up them face. Pumpkins are push up there. And these are nothing but pure pumpkins. Pumpkins. So pumpkins and bust up. Now the pumpkin field. Yeah. So pumpkins and pumpkin. Youngkin. You don't want to have to pay for a pound of pumpkin. So they have pumpkins. Pumpkin for the poor and pumpkin for the needy. You get out of here. I eat off the pumpkin. Let me start growing. Pumpkins. 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 You know pumpkin go up in the rocks as well too. So you have pumpkin in the rocks. Yeah. As you can see where the stones is. Nothing but pure pumpkin. Go up in them rocks as well too. We have more pumpkin in the rocks. Cause them say pumpkin like rocks. So make sure we put some pumpkin in the rocks then. See them there. I'll put some pumpkin in there. Then I push up themselves. See them there. Pumpkin I push up themselves. Pumpkin I push up themselves. Show themselves. Pumpkin I show themselves. Oh not so much shells that pop up in them. Pumpkins. So it's a process. Alright, so the food is up and running. Yeah, so we have curry fish today. Where the fish are there?
Apart from me.
Where the fish are there? Whoa, you know?
Yeah, man, you know.
So today is different, you know?
Different day today, man. And me there today, you know. Riding a day, so. I keep life on the ground, you know. So you run down a day, you know.
And they run up.
Yeah, and they run up. See there.
So you see that, okay, so when you see worship go white,
White, you know.
you know, say him go yellow on the next part.
So
You know, when you see the white, the rice, so you know, so him go yellow on the next part.
Good for that, yeah.
So see there, so one say white, and one say yellow with the red, with the gold, with the green. You know from here say white, you know go with it.
Oliver. One Oliver.
You call it Oliver again?
Special meal at Oliver. Yeah man, you know.
You call it Oliver again. The last time you did Oliver come give you the black beans, you know.
Yeah man, it's in.
So next time now, where man come give you all that you call
Oliver. Alright, so like we give you the black bean one day. They come back. Different menu, you know.
Yeah.
We'll give you the white bean this time. Yeah man. You see me I say? Yeah man, you know.
Give the white bean.
Yeah, cause the bean give a whole heap of protein, you know.
Yeah.
Oliver, next time come, the white bean. Right.
Who never see that one day, oh man?
Yeah man, the white bean man, you know, it's coming like the butter bean they put that in, you know.
Yeah.
Oliver, know what I say?
This is
We
white
need the soft
bean.
one, we need it, yeah.
Another broad bean.
It alright, him come back with it there. You have bread, and you have a next.
Butter bean.
The one, you know.
And you have the butter bean.
You have the butter
broad
bean style, so.
And you have the black bean. And you have the red bean.
So all of them beans they can mix together, you know.
Imagine
you
that.
get a proper.
Oh,
You see me I
okay,
say?
so red, white and black.
Black and blue. No, we don't have the blue. Bean.
Imagine you cook red, white and black.
Yeah, cause you have the red bean too, you know. You have the red
Kidney
bean.
beans, red kidney beans.
Yeah, you have the red bean.
Which is the red peas.
Yes, so you can use the red bean, black, the white. Yeah man, I get the items through the up and running.
And the baked bean.
And the baked bean in it. So we have 4 different bean mix with pumpkin, Irish. All the look thing go around and you know? See rice then now, see there?
Yeah, white.
White, you know, the butter in it, man. Look at yellow looking at it, man, the butter, you know?
Really?
Yeah, not shelly, you know?
Ready, not shelly, baby.
No, baby, you know, not really shelly.
Baby, not shelly this. Otherwise, ready.
Yeah, man. Ready up, you know?
Can see the butter, the yellow on the side.
Yeah, man.
Steam. Well steam. So you know to go with the curry fish head. So people have curry fish head in the pot, you know, when you see it. Oh chef, I got curry fish head today, you know. So when you see it, that's all the red, green and gold, it have the curry fish head. Wow chef style, curry fish head. You know, the red, green and gold, you know. So you know it goes already.
Yeah.
Red, green and gold, you know. Red, green and gold and nice, so you know, say, yeah man, what them beat man, it was a hit. It was epic. That one that was epic, I never missed that one there.
China, I'm going over there and I'm talking about it, you know?
China, you're gonna talk about it. Yeah, people worship about China and you never talk about it.
So, oh, the one that slap where you get it from. So the Jamaican menu, you know?
And a turmeric, you know. They say not turmeric or turmeric.
No, the turmeric, the real original Jamaican curry, you know?
No. We're not talking about the Indian curry.
Yeah, man, original Jamaican, you know?
The people never stay tuned for that one, yeah.
Made in Jamaica,
So you see rice gone pan plate.
Yeah, man.
So you know again we are going to see next pan plate. Whoa. You know, rice gone pan plate.
Meditation plate, you know? Yeah.
Meditate. You know, rice gone pan plate.
I eat all of them birds, yeah. Eat birds too. Yeah, I tell you. Meditation. Put on this one, car. Plate, you know?
Team.
Yeah, man, see there?
Steam.
Look in there.
Steam.
Doing that.
Yeah, the drippings there for the tree. That is that. You they missed the fisher the last time. Last time you missed a boat, the hero now you're sailing.
Yeah. Boom.
Rasta Messi.
Rasta Messi.
You know why we call him Messi? Hey, you talk about
A small plate, I
want that.
Rasta Messi we call him, you know. So you know Mr. Stay already was see. So imagine the Rasta up here like Messi Maga, man. Alright. So we call him Rasta Messi.
Yeah, man.
Come in, meditate. Yeah, man, come in. Cash want to take up your food, so come now, you know. No. Nah, we don't get Maga one.
Maga man can't do that again.
Nah, we don't get Maga man. Here last time I missed the fish head, you know. This time it's swimming. Eh? At first I eat it though.
Good man, boy.
Fish head. But why do you Maga man? Whenever I say Maga man allergic to shrimp, you know.
Oh.
And shrimp go in the food the man go eat. Jesus Christ. Nothing never stay down. Man bring up back everything. Eh? Yeah. Never know. I say I'm asking shrimp in another one. Yeah, that's again Maga. Nowhere near. I like to bring some shrimp, you know. Whoa, ready now. See there, that is it. Fish with the head, well curry.
Enough gum them fish I put them back. Whole heap of gum, you know, the banana, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Well, they may say the okra and head tree, you know, so you know, pure gum.
So I love fish with okra. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Pure gum.
Soft and nice and melt with them more same time, you know?
Yeah, like ice. Like ice.
Trenchtown, them food.
Yeah.
I don't mind to find them and living over feed
Cool. So sooner or later, our okra go in the pot go and steam.
Yeah, man.
And they say the gum and go there.
You have the pan out so we can start fish or fish. No.
Go to the front. Yes, dream team and team, you know, so have food time. We want feast, my coach chef go and eat right now because I want to bite in tongue.
Ready. Wow, the man.
Watch you now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch channel, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.